everybody, I just woke up, as you can probably tell, and I really need a jean jacket, so I'm gonna go to Fashion Nova and get a jean jacket, but I'm 100% sure it's gonna turn into something more than that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and accept the fact that this is my Fashion Nova haul. So I'm going to get the Aura Stripe tank top in pink and white. I'm going to get the same exact one again, but in black and white. I'm going to get the Baby One More Time sweatshirt in black. And I'm going to get the Lounge Lover navy plaid top. I'm going to get the Always Good Vibes tee. Now, for this, I'm literally between a 3 and a 5, so I want them to be a little bit big, so hopefully a 5 will work. And of course, the jacket. Now, there was a lot of things that I wanted to get, but they were either sold out in my size or sold out in the sizes that I could maybe fit into. Our total is $144.48, and if you know me, you know that is not going to happen. So I'm going to use Honey. Hashtag not sponsored, but wish it was. And if you don't know what Honey is a browser add-on that searches the web for coupons and adds the coupon that saves you the most money to your cart. Also, I always pronounced it coupon, but people always correct me and say it's coupon. So there's that unnecessary fact. And bam, I went from $144 to $86.69. With the discount code HOLIDAY40. Thank you, Honey. I appreciate you so much. So it says I'm eligible for free shipping since I spent over $75. It says it should get here in 2 to 3 business days. Now, I'm not sure if it will because I know a lot of people have been complaining lately about their packages taking a very long time to get to them. So I ordered this December 17th at 10:30 a.m. We'll see when it arrives. Update, so almost immediately after placing my order, Fashion Nova sent me a text stating that my order's been shipped, which is extremely fast considering everything that's been going on, so we'll see. Okay, guess what came in? And guess what day it is? It's the 18th. It's the next day. What? I ordered it at like 10:30 a.m., okay? And it's the very next day, and I got this at 10:30 a.m. It took 24 hours to get here. Okay, now to the part I've been waiting for, and maybe you too. I'm gonna open it. Oh my goodness, it's so much for me. Look how much is... What? Guess what's in here? It says,
"We are so sorry. Hi, Nova fam. We know your order arrived later than anticipated, and we want to thank you so much for your patience and loyalty. Next one is on us. Please use code FNFAM to receive free shipping and 30% off your next order."
If 24 hours is late, then I want to know what expedited shipping is, because I did not pay for this shipping. Okay, I'm going to... Okay, right off the bat, this is not the pink. I don't think this is the same color of pink. Maybe I'm just confused. See, this is not what I wanted. This is not what I wanted. I wanted long that I could tie and make shorter, which is what it looked like on the website. But it's okay. Maybe. And this is the right black. The right color black. Okay, this is a crop top. This is a crop top. Maybe. Oh, it'll be a crop top on me. I don't know if it says it's a crop top. I thought it was just a tank top. Oh well. Okay, let's see. Okay, good vibes. Boop. I got this to go under the jean jacket. It's the only shirt that I could find that like could be a crop top if I like tied it in a knot, and also can be a regular shirt, which is what I wanted. There was a shirt that I wanted that said Queens OG, but it was all sold out in my size and the sizes around it. So the jeans. Now I'm really worried about the jeans. I don't want to have to return them, because who knows what size anyone is these days. The sizes are so different now. Who knows? I'm worried. It says online that they're high-waisted too. We'll see. What is this? Oh, yeah, the sweatshirt. Yeah. Whoa. This is big. What size is this? Medium. The plaid flannel type thing. Ooh, this is so soft. Oh, it smells good. I don't know why I wanted. I gotta check the arm. My arms are fat. We'll see. The jacket. This is what I did all of this for. I did all of this for this jacket. I'm so excited for. Ow! Ow! Oh, I pulled my hair. I got too happy. Beautiful. And no other thank you and sorry notes in here. Bloop. Okay, now it's time for the fashion show. These are too big. I'm ripping them. How am I supposed to climb? Baggy. Yeah. Okay. So, well, you see all this baggage? Like, good. Good for that. I have to get opinions. So this is the crop top that on Fashion Nova, it says you can tie it. How the heck are you supposed to tie this, Fashion Nova? I can't tie it, but I didn't want to. I just feel like I'm wearing a diaper with these jeans. I'm just gonna have to ask some people if it's normal. I'll ask you guys. Do you think this is normal? These jeans? Do you think these jeans are normal? Cause like I said, I wanted them to be baggy. Moment of truth. I love it. Point system. Yes. I'm not gonna do a point system. Online it said you could tie it into a knot. I don't see how that's possible. There's no fabric. I got this specifically for these pants. So this is supposed to be an outfit that I got. I feel like I have a poopy diaper. This is this normal? I seriously need someone to answer me, like message me or something. Is this normal? See, what the heck is this? That's not right. This is extra fabric that shouldn't be here. Cause it don't go any higher. Love it. Is this small? And the other one was a medium. I'm definitely a medium. Do they look the same? Just kidding. Psych. I got both tank tops to be with the jacket. Do these have pockets? Yes. I'm cool. I'm just not doing it. I did not get this to wear it like this. I got it. See this? This you can tie. Okay, I don't know. I don't really tie things. Kind of funny, but I'll ignore it. And I got this for the jacket. I was so excited about my jacket. I just got everything for it. Probably should have put on makeup. Oh yeah, cool. I'm so cool. Look at me. Fashion icon. Am I a Nova babe? No. Ooh, I could do how they be doing in them pictures. They like do like a halfway. You know what I'm talking about. 1, it smells like perfume. 2, it fits me perfectly. I love that they come pre-rolled because I have no idea how to do that. I ain't got no arms. What you mean? Okay guys, for real, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below if you think my jeans were normal or not. But all around, I loved absolutely everything I got. So thank you Fashion Nova for making clothes and apologizing for a delivery in less than 24 hours. That's fine, it's okay, I forgive you, but thanks for watching. Bye.